Alright, we are at the University of Alberta Fine Arts Building in Edmonton, Alberta. And there was a 1980s Montgomery Alley with 1980 DOS fish. But what has happened to this? Well, it got into the not believe it. It got into the destruction of modernization. Wow, new directional lanterns and new car stations. God. At least this door is still open, which is nice. The horse white door, yeah. And here it is. Can't believe it. New cabs and new COP. Wow. New interior. Water too. What do you think of this? I believe this got modded. And even with the basement, I don't know that I was rid of it, but like the first and all that, but they walked them off, which makes total sense, and that these areas should be private too, and it made total sense to walk towards the basement when it was up. That's number one. They do say that cab is so much nicer than the original cab, which was pretty much dark brown blush. But anyway, I think this may be the only other thing about the modern cab. Everything else is basic, pictures are pretty much in there. There it goes, and that's it.